Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm reviewing the Best Choice Lounge Chair Recliners. I'm going to answer some common questions that you might have that will help you make a fully informed buying decision. Plus, I'll share what I like most about these chairs. So, let's start with what I like about them. I like that they're super lightweight and fold up nicely. This is important if you plan on storing or moving them, such as using them as beach chairs and need to place them in your car or carry them down to the beach. I also like that they allow you to fully recline back easily and effortlessly. Plus, once you're reclined, you can actually turn the knob here and on the side and lock them into place so you can sit back and relax. Additionally, it has an adjustable pillow that you can move up and down based on what's most comfortable to you. I saw in the questions where people asked if the cup holder tray is included, and yes, each chair comes with its own cup holder tray, which is really nice so you can have an easy to reach drink on those hot summer days. Another question was about the weight limit and size the chairs can withstand. What really separates these chairs from some others I've seen is that their base is super sturdy and made of lightweight metal and has an ergonomic and durable mesh fitting that provides ultimate comfort in my opinion with a weight limit of up to 250 pounds. Overall, I've been really satisfied with these Best Choice lounge chairs and think that they are a great item to have around the house, especially if you're looking for something that can easily be stored and taken out when you have visitors or simply want to lay back and relax. So enjoy!